So today, I'm going to make you a video about a new trend. If you're into crypto, if you're a trader, crypto in fact, there's a new trend coming up for you. Last March, it was meme coins. Memes. It was a crazy opportunity. We've seen massive gains. I personally made 48x. Then there was another one that did 2x. I had so much success with meme coins. But now, there's a new trend that has just emerged, and it's really important that I tell you about it. It's called AI agents. And today, my video is going to be dedicated to this. If you're looking for a trend that's going to perform really well, what I did, in fact, is I came here on CoinMarketCap, and every single day, I keep an eye on what's trending the most. I go directly into the trending section. And guess what? It's always AI agents that have been there. For about 2 weeks now. AI agents. Even CoinMarketCap has created a section specifically for AI agents. I genuinely believe this is going to explode. And we can see that because if you look at Virtual, which is the platform where these are being built, let's just check it out. These are candlestick charts on a weekly time frame. So since the month of November, November. You see, it's not very clear here, but my candle is here. This is November, okay? How much has it made? Virtual tokens, how much have they made since November? Seriously, 1,003x. Your 1,000 becomes $1,003. It's a token that is traded on all platforms. So Virtual is just insane. One, the token itself, because it's the platform, and two, well, all the AI agents themselves. It's incredibly strong. We just need to look at.
And moreover, if you take the platform, I put you in my results group, which is here, $460 for traders. And precisely, they just sent me on the site, there's 23%. It says your indicator is just insane. So it's this one here. Your indicator is really good. That's me. I made it. So if you were interested, click here. You take the platform, there's a message afterwards, and then I'll put you in the team. And I'm telling you, 2025. Memes are cool, but I think what's going to make a lot of people rich right now is all these AI agents. You know you've learned that on the Crypto-Quebec channel. So if you're not subscribed yet, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And I don't think you've learned anything. I'm thanking you very much and see you soon.